The newsfeed explodes, flashes of light, urgent headlines, and a city that never seems to sleep. Every screen, every corner is alive with the pulse of something extraordinary unfolding in real time. Above, the city skyline is transformed, alive with thousands of drones moving in perfect harmony, their lights choreographed to create a spectacle that blurs the line between technology and art. They swarm the sky, painting dragons, phoenixes, and messages in a language you don't need to read to understand. This is the future, and it's already here. The air itself seems to shimmer with possibility, as if the city is sending a message to the world. We are rewriting what's possible. This isn't a movie. It's just another Tuesday night in Shenzhen, where the extraordinary has become the everyday, and the city's residents gather to witness the spectacle as if it's the most natural thing in the world. Down below, maglev trains glide silently past gleaming skyscrapers. Automated vehicles weave through the streets, delivering packages with precision, and the city pulses with relentless energy. Every movement, every light, is a testament to a city that's always in motion, always reaching for more. Here, ambition is measured in steel and megawatts. The skyline is a living blueprint, constantly redrawn by cranes and construction crews, powered by grids that hum with the electricity of progress. The future wasn't just welcomed, it was built, piece by piece, by people who rewrote the rulebook. Engineers, architects, and workers labored day and night, turning blueprints into reality and dreams into concrete and glass. I've seen the hard work that keeps our world running, but what's happening here is a new chapter. It's a story of innovation, of sweat and vision, of people determined to leave their mark on history. It's not just about building big, it's about making the impossible possible. Bridges that span impossible distances, towers that pierce the clouds, and projects that challenge the very limits of human ingenuity. The pace is dizzying, progress you can feel in your bones. Every day brings something new, as if the city itself is racing against time, determined to shape the future before anyone else can. This electric city is just a glimpse, a flashy headline for a deeper story. Behind the lights and the spectacle lies a relentless drive, a hunger to innovate and to lead. A nation is reshaping its landscape and future with audacity the world has never seen. Entire districts rise from the ground in months, land is reclaimed from the sea, and the impossible becomes routine. Engineering marvels here defy nature and push human ingenuity to its limits. Dams that tame mighty rivers, bridges that connect cities across the sea, and tunnels that carve through mountains, all built on a scale that boggles the mind. Forget what you think you know. The world is changing faster than ever, and nowhere is that more clear than here, where the future is not just imagined. It's constructed, lived, and experienced every day. We're about to look under the hood at some of the boldest projects on Earth. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will challenge everything you thought you knew about progress and possibility. The real story is just beginning. As the sun rises over this new cityscape, the next chapter of human achievement is being written, one innovation, one breakthrough at a time. Welcome to the new frontier. Let's dive in and discover how a city on fire is lighting the way for the world. What's driving this explosion of megaprojects? Necessity, ambition, and over 1 billion people. Housing, feeding, and moving so many requires thinking bigger and bolder. China's not just building roads and apartments, they're reimagining what infrastructure can be. It's a national mission: leapfrog generations of technology and build the future now. Bridges float over canyons, smart cities rise from wetlands. This is engineering on a mythological scale, happening at breakneck speed. When a plan is approved, resources and manpower mobilize overnight. At the heart are the engineers and workers, turning audacious blueprints into reality. They work in the harshest environments, from frozen plateaus to typhoon coasts. These unsung heroes solve thousands of problems to make every big idea possible. Their work is a testament to human grit and ingenuity. In China, the impossible is just another challenge to overcome, and they're not slowing down. China's geography is a maze of mountains and gorges, natural barriers that once isolated communities, carving the land into a patchwork of valleys and peaks. For centuries, these dramatic landscapes shaped the lives of those who lived among them, making travel and communication a daunting challenge. The solution? Don't go around or through, go over. Instead of letting the land dictate the limits, engineers and visionaries decided to rise above, literally, and connect what nature had separated. Enter the world's greatest bridge-building boom. In the past few decades, China has embarked on an unprecedented journey, transforming its landscape with a network of bridges that defy imagination and gravity. The Beipanjiang Bridge, the highest on Earth, floats 1,850 feet above a river, connecting what once took hours to cross in minutes. Suspended in the clouds, it's a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of human determination to overcome the impossible. Engineers faced extreme winds and shifting geology, using rockets to string cables across vast canyons. Every step was a battle against nature's unpredictability, requiring innovation, courage, and teamwork on a scale rarely seen. It's not just one bridge. China has over 80 of the world's 100 highest. Each one is a testament to the country's ambition and technical prowess, stretching across landscapes once thought impassable. Each is a custom solution to a unique problem, some so remote they seem like artifacts from the future. These structures blend seamlessly into their wild surroundings, yet stand out as bold statements of progress. These aren't vanity projects, they're lifelines. For many, a bridge means the difference between isolation and connection, between hardship and hope. Suddenly, remote regions have access to markets, schools, and hospitals. Children can attend school safely, families can reach medical care, and farmers can bring their goods to distant towns. Goods flow, families connect, and communities are woven into the national fabric. The bridges don't just carry vehicles, they carry dreams, ambitions, and the promise of a better future. These bridges do more than span gaps. They bridge divides between isolation and opportunity, between the past and a rapidly changing present. It's dirty, dangerous work, but the result is breathtaking. Every bolt tightened and cable strung is a step toward transforming entire regions. Infrastructure here isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about transforming lives. It's about giving people the freedom to move, to grow, and to dream beyond their horizons. Every bridge is a leap forward. Each new span is a testament to what's possible when vision meets determination. And the sky is no longer the limit. With every bridge, China is reaching higher, pushing boundaries, and redefining what's possible. China is building connections where none existed before, stitching together a nation and opening doors to a future once hidden behind mountains and clouds. Want to see the future of cities? Look at Chongqing, a megacity built on steep hills and riverbanks, where the landscape seems to defy logic and gravity. This is a city that challenges every expectation of what urban life can look like. Here, flatland is a rare commodity. Instead of spreading out, Chongqing has learned to build up, down, and sideways, making use of every inch of its dramatic terrain. The city's architecture is a direct response to its environment, forcing innovation at every turn. Chongqing is like a real-life Escher painting, multi-layered, visually stunning, and almost surreal in its complexity. Streets, buildings, and highways overlap and intertwine, creating a cityscape that feels more like a living sculpture than a traditional city. Gravity-defying and endlessly complex, Chongqing redefines what it means to live in a city. Here, the ground floor is just a concept. Depending on where you stand, it could be 10 stories above or below you. Monorails pass straight through apartment buildings, highways spiral and loop like roller coasters, and roads seem to float in mid-air. The city's infrastructure is a marvel of engineering designed to conquer the impossible. Skywalks and pedestrian bridges connect towers hundreds of feet in the air, letting people move between buildings without ever touching the ground. It's a city where vertical travel is as common as walking down the street. To make all this possible, engineers and architects had to get creative, inventing new ways to build and connect. Every project is a puzzle, and every solution pushes the boundaries of what's possible in urban design. Verticality isn't just a challenge here, it's an asset. Living in Chongqing means thinking in 3 dimensions. Up and down matter just as much as north and south, and elevators and escalators are as essential as sidewalks. Despite what looks like chaos, the city works. People move efficiently through a maze of streets, bridges, and tunnels, adapting to the city's unique rhythm. An integrated transport system, buses, trains, monorails, keeps millions moving every day. It's a masterclass in urban resilience and adaptation, showing how a city can thrive even in the most challenging conditions. Chongqing proves that you can build a thriving metropolis in the most unlikely places. The city pulses with life, energy, and ambition, all set against a backdrop of mountains and rivers. This city isn't just surviving, it's thriving. From bustling business districts to lively parks and vibrant nightlife, Chongqing is alive at every hour. It's a bold statement. With enough ingenuity and determination, no landscape is too challenging for human creativity. The city's architecture stands as a testament to what's possible when we refuse to accept limits. In Chongqing, the impossible becomes routine. Every day people navigate a city that seems to rewrite the rules of urban living. It's a living blueprint for the cities of tomorrow. And it's only getting bigger. As Chongqing continues to grow, it's not just keeping up with the future, it's building it one level at a time. China's ambitions don't stop at the shoreline, they go under it. Bridges aren't always practical, so engineers build underwater tunnels. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau bridge system includes a 4-mile tunnel beneath the sea, connecting 3 major cities. To build it, engineers created artificial islands and sank massive tunnel sections to the seabed. Specialized ships, robotics, and precision planning made it possible. Workers battled darkness, water pressure, and unpredictable conditions. The result? A 4-hour journey now takes just 45 minutes, creating a massive economic hub. Similar projects are underway, pushing tunnel technology even further. These submerged highways are invisible lifelines, keeping commerce and people moving. In China, not even the ocean is an obstacle. Amidst the steel and concrete, a new kind of engineering is rising: green, living, and vertical. Chinese architects are turning skyscrapers into vertical forests, like the Nanjing Green Towers, covered in thousands of trees and plants. These buildings absorb carbon, produce oxygen, and redefine what a city can be. Across China, sky gardens and green towers are transforming skylines and improving urban life. Complex irrigation, careful plant selection, and high-altitude gardening crews make it possible. These green buildings clean the air, provide shade, and create urban tranquility. It's a hopeful vision: cities that grow up and green at the same time. The muscle behind China's mega projects isn't just human, it's robotic. AI-powered machines weld, build, and transport with speed and precision humans can't match. In ports like Shanghai's Yangshan, automated vehicles and cranes run the show, guided by a central AI. Entire cities like Xiong'an are built as smart cities from the ground up. Sensors monitor everything, robots handle maintenance, and AI manages daily life. Drones deliver supplies, robots cook and serve food, and garbage disappears through pneumatic tubes. This is technology woven into daily life, making cities safer and more efficient. The real revolution isn't flashy, it's practical, transforming how people live and work. China is a living experiment in human-machine collaboration. The future is automated, and it's already here. Powering this future takes energy on a colossal scale. China's answer: build the world's largest dams, solar farms, and wind parks. The Three Gorges Dam tamed the Yangtze, but newer projects like Baihatan push engineering even further. Solar and wind farms stretch for miles, harnessing nature's power in remote deserts. Ultra-high voltage lines carry electricity thousands of miles to the cities that need it. These projects are shifting China away from fossil fuels, leading the world in renewable energy. The scale is staggering, the ambition unmatched. These are the engines driving China's vision forward. We've seen bridges in the clouds, cities on mountains, tunnels under the sea, and robots at work. For millions, this means a better life, faster travel, greener homes, new opportunities. These projects are engines of social and economic change, connecting people and ideas. High-speed rail shrinks distances, fostering unity and growth. For the world, China's mega projects are both inspiration and challenge, a blueprint for what's possible. There are costs and controversies, but the audacity is undeniable. It's a story of seeing obstacles as opportunities, of building the future, one impossible project at a time. The work is dirty, difficult, and inspiring, and China is just getting started.